Welcome to Cup Graded by Two Girls and Two Cups. तो आज हमारे साथ है कॉमेडी लेजेंड,
जबड़ा फाड़िंग हॉटी,
फेफड़ा टेयरिंग फनी,
दुबई में लग्जरी कार्स में घूमने वाले लेकिन मुंबई में उन्हीं कार्स के लिए पार्किंग ढूंढने वाले.
his wife calls him funny
His mother calls him hilarious.
and producers
Never
don't
call
call him.
him.
Please welcome Nitin Virani, also known as Uncle Manmani.
दोनों के बारे में किसी को पता नहीं. वेलकम वेलकम.
थैंक यू गाइस. और हमारा अगला प्रोडक्ट है. व्हाई आर वी टॉकिंग लाइक दिस?
And two cups. How are you?
आई एम गुड.
अरे हमको नहीं फर्क पड़ता, तुम जोक सुनाओ चलो.
जोक पर ये देखो ना, ये क्या हुआ मेरे साथ. तुम लोग नोटिस नहीं किया ये?
क्या हुआ तुम्हारे साथ?
तुम लोग के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है?
हमको ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुमने गलत हाथ यूज कर लिया. Is that true?
बिल्कुल सही जवाब.
Can you
अब
tell me?
लेफ्ट यू.
आई एम अ राइटी. डिपेंड्स. पॉलिटिक्स और
I actually thought you were mim.
या आई एम अ मिमिम. आर यू आल्सो मिमिम?
I thought you're.
अभी 10 मिनट.
Her baby is already talking through her.
Oh yeah.
Enough of baby jokes. Only I can
It's the baby talking.
I thought you're mimi.
You should do this whole episode on WhatsApp. Just WhatsApp.
जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल.
I thought you are mimicking Michael Jackson with this whole freaking.
कि इतना build up for this joke.
It
इससे
wasn't a
अच्छा
joke.
चुप रहती यार.
It wasn't a joke, guys. I really thought कि अवतार में आए. वैसे usually अंकल मनमानी.
माइकल जैक्सन क्या? How?
Michael
मेरे को लगा
Jackson he used to wear the glove ना.
देख रहे जैकेट, जूते देख रहे हैं उसके. जूते हमारे
वो
पूरे आउटफिट अवतार सबसे महंगे हैं.
अब देखो, अभी दुबई से आया हूँ तो it doesn't leave.
तो शेक हो क्या?
Of course.
तो जोक सुनाओ.
I love this. कुछ भी बोलो. अगर मैं बोलता दूध वाले में, तुम जोक सुनाओ.
तुम एक सेकंड, तुमको क्यों बुलाया हमने शो पे?
आपने
What do
बुलाया
you think?
because एक guest backed out last minute yesterday, and then he called you. Bro,
It's
what are you
good to
doing
have.
tomorrow?
It's good to have that self awareness.
Of
But
course, it's very important.
But let me just tell you that 3 guests backed out.
अच्छा.
You were the 4th,
Yeah.
not the 2nd. Can you please raise your feet and show the camera your shoes?
feet, feet. Don't raise anything else.
Raise our
The
legs.
camera catching the shoes, guys.
मैं
ऐसे
योगा.
फायर वाले जूते पहन के आया ना.
फायर है. But fuck that. ये क्या है?
ये
तेरे को है ना कीड़े पड़ेंगे.
निक्के के जूते हैं और
नहीं,
क्या है?
ये क्या है? निक्की इतना दबा नहीं जिंदगी में. Just don't do it. You should put. Just don't.
पर
Look
तुम
at how
पे-
she wears the shoes, guys.
तुम्हारे ऊपर मारने के लिए यही जो मैं
any
afford कर
sponsors
सकती
for sneakers, don't bother. Because ये तुम्हारे जूतों का हाल है.
Hey, any sponsors for sneakers?
Bother. Please bother.
Bother us. Bother us.
ये क्यों है? How-
Because she
चप्पल ही
wants.
लेते यार.
It's a limited edition.
Nitin, it's a subtle hint. She wants you to gift her some sneakers.
I will. मैं यही पार्ट काट के दूंगा तेरे को. It's hilarious.
But that's also
ऐसे मत करो यार स्नीकर्स को, प्लीज यार. स्नीकर्स में जान होती है.
दुखता है.
Of course.
कहाँ?
मेरे सोल में.
Nice.
Nice.
पहला जो
nice.
बच्चा वाला.
But really, what happened to your hand?
I bruised it somehow. I don't know how.
We know.
Okay.
We know. We were speaking about it before this. Guys, guess कर लो. नितिन, comments में बताओ तुमको क्या
अरे वो
लगता
कह
है?
रहे थे try something new in bed, so I was like, oh.
कौन कह रहे थे?
वो
जो कहते रहते हैं.
जो 4 लोग मिलके नहीं बोलते. 4 लोग कहते हैं. Same.
उनमें से ही कोई एक. Okay.
I-
Now we are going to a segment that we call.
Two girls,
Some
roast a
segment.
guest, roast a guest. इतना टाइम भी नहीं हुआ शूट करे हुए. Two girls, roast a guest, roast a guest.
Two
Can you
girls-
sing it?
okay. 2 girls roast a guest, roast a guest, roast a guest. Two girls roast a guest, roast a guest.
Yeah.
अरे आप हमको रोस्ट करो, हम आपको रोस्ट करें.
But
That's
आपके
what the-
attacks थोड़े should be worth like keeping in the
हाँ.
edit.
You can't pick that up and throw it at us. Not those kind of attacks. It has to
Oh,
be
this
normal.
one, yeah, I can.
You can pick her up and throw it on her.
Like she said, I give her head.
Yeah, you can give me head. Yeah. Come on.
You guys were
Okay.
waiting to crack that joke. Okay.
He
I-
cracked
Ma'am.
before me.
Ma'am, please.
हमारी सरी
रखा भी वहीं पे. रखा भी वहीं पे. कोई बात
यहीं पे अच्छे से फिट आ रही है.
2 girls get ahead, get ahead, get ahead.
आप 10 साल पहले अपकमिंग कॉमेडियन थे और आज भी अपकमिंग कॉमेडियन ही हो. ऐसा क्यों?
मैं जब इधर शिफ्ट हुआ था,
Yes.
मेरे को यहाँ का लोग बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आया.
So good.
और कॉमेडी के नाम पे हमको ऐसा चूतिया काम दिया. हम बोला हम ये नहीं करेगा. फिर वो पैसा दिखाया, हम बोला माशाअल्लाह
हम सब करेगा,
हम सब करेगा, तुम्हारे साथ करेगा,
ला 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 हम
वाला
सब
ला।
करेगा,
अभी भी आओ कभी भी
गिव मी द मुल्ला।
गिव मी द हेड।
बोले
यस
हमने स्टार्ट किया था, गिव मी माय मनी,
यस। अच्छा ये
हमारा-
आपने स्टार्ट किया था ये प्रैंक।
ऑफ कोर्स।
तो आप कोई भी तरीके का काम कर देते हैं, बस
हाँ,
पैसे होने चाहिए।
एनीथिंग मनी रिलेटेड,
तो आप अपकमिंग हो, मतलब
Upcoming.
अपकमिंग कॉमेडियन नहीं हो, आप
अपकमिंग टू टेक द मनी।
सो नाउ आई नो वेर यू गॉट योर ग्लव फ्रॉम।
हाँ,
लोग यूजुअली इंडिया से दुबई जाने का सपना देखते
जी।
हैं, आप उल्टा मतलब क्यों? लाइक
मुझे प्यार हो गया एक लड़की से, यू नो द गर्ल।
Which one?
अब सवाल तुम्हारे ऊपर है,
Which one?
Why didn't you stop me from loving her?
एक सेकेंड,
हाँ।
you moved before you started loving the girl.
Oh fuck.
I know you, so let me just tell you, I know Nitin before he was married and he is talking about his wife who he loves very much.
No,
but I
my
don't-
ex-wife, but
Oh, you're talking about your ex?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
moved for her?
I came to India because यार opportunities यहाँ पे ज्यादा थी, सिंपल सी बात है। And मुझे
दिख तो
वहाँ
नहीं रहे।
लोग, हाँ एक्चुअली अभी मालूम पड़ा है, चूतिया बनाया मुझे। I used to give auditions and all that stuff. सर वो स्ट्रगल नहीं है, स्ट्रगल तुमने स्ट्रगल नहीं किया लाइफ में। यू नो, यू नॉट स्लेप्ट ऑन अ रेलवे स्टेशन, यू नॉट हैव वड़ा पाव। ऐसे पहनचोद वहाँ पे मिलता नहीं है वड़ा पाव, वहाँ पे रेलवे स्टेशन नहीं है, मैं कहाँ सोऊं, कहाँ खाऊं? मैं जबरदस्ती अबरे में सो रहा हूँ, शवरमा खा रहा हूँ, बट इवन दैट इज लाइक ऑल हाई एंड फॉर देम। तो इट्स जस्ट आई हैड टू मूव एंड देन आई फेल इन लव विद समबडी एंड
Then I know the rest of the story,
देन
which
यू नो
we will tell you later.
आई डिडंट मैरी हर बट
आदमी जो जात है ना, चाहे वो दुबई की हो
Oh
चाहे इंडिया
God.
की हो, it's freaking bloody stupid when it comes to the matters of the heart.
yeah,
I made it sound so
yeah, you made it sound
cool
so-
in the end, guys.
Boys,
matters
please.
of the heart.
Toxic.
of the heart.
I was going in a very different direction. Then I
इतना
just
3 वर्ड इंग्लिश के बैक टू बैक दिए उसने। मैडम
मुझे हिंदी बुला के तुमने इंग्लिश टॉक्सिक।
आप सही है ना ट्रांसलेट करने के लिए।
ये टॉक्सिक को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
हमने
अश्लील।
गूगल नहीं, हमने
अश्लील।
गूगल किया था।
अश्लील is you.
अष्टी
अष्टी,
अश्लील
सृष्टि,
ग्रोवर।
सृष्टि।
अश्लील ग्रोवर।
टॉक्सिक को कहते हैं सृष्टि,
सृष्टि, दैट्स ट्रू।
सृष्टि।
सृष्टि हो गया आपका एग्जाम कल का, याद कर, यू टेक सो लॉन्ग।
ये खुद लिखती है क्यू कार्ड्स, फिर खुद ही भूल जाती
खुद
है।
ही भूल जाती है मैंने क्या
हाँ,
लिखा
फिर
है।
खुद 10 मिनट लगाती है।
Yeah. Guys, if you want to give me any feedback on anything, however it's going, just give it. I won't take it. Just, but I'll listen to it, but like I don't give a shit.
इसकी मारते हैं।
चल नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
तो
Coffee with sugar.
ऑब्वियसली मैंने सुना है कि आप दुबई, उस पे तो हम आते हैं आपके कॉफी विद शुगर में। ऑल कॉफी कनेशियर्स आउट देयर, प्लीज
Connoisseurs.
इनके लिए कमेंट लिखो। कॉफी
भी-
विद शुगर हराम है, हराम है, हराम है।
एक से
हराम है।
एक
फतवा।
Any coffee brands that wanted to endorse
Hey,
Nitin's
hey,
show, don't do it now.
नहीं यार।
नहीं, I don't do
We have
that.
to get back to him यार, हमारा स्नीकर का
Ah, what the fuck? या।
तुम्हें तो बड़े नाइकी रिबॉक आ रहे हैं।
हमने सुना है कि आप दुबई से हैं और लास्ट ईयर,
कहाँ सुना है?
अरे बोलने तो देना है,
अच्छा, बोलना।
जोक के बीच में नहीं।
जोक के बीच में नहीं करने का।
I can't heckle. अच्छा, okay.
नो हेकलिंग अलाउड। नो, आई वांट टू से दैट अगेन। आई फक्ड
You
इट अप।
have to say the second one.
You guys want to take your time to just rehearse because I want to feel bad, but it's going wrong from your. So I'm like,
हमने सुना है आप दुबई से हैं
अदल।
और लास्ट ईयर दुबई में फ्लड्स भी हुए थे। सो क्लियरली द फ्लड्स आर द सेकंड वर्स्ट थिंग दैट हैपेंड टू दुबई,
Correct.
राइट?
absolutely.
The first
Absolutely.
was
डोंट एक्सप्लेन द जोक।
Guys, I just want to say honestly, I'm really blessed. You know, God has been really kind, and I never expected that I will be in such a place of abundance and so much love coming my way. So
we are glad. We are glad.
it's just surreal.
You feel good?
Yeah,
You feel good?
I feel great.
You feel
That time I was wet, but great. The floods.
ओके।
Yeah.
You are also an actor.
You were मतलब क्या है?
You are also an actor बोला मैंने
ये
यार.
कब होने वाला है एयर? आफ्टर माय डेथ? You
I
were.
said-
This is like a Shraddhanjali
I
episode.
said you are also an actor.
Oh, you said you were. Edit with it.
आपकी एज
Guys,
आप अपना
हाँ बोल दिया, यू वर आल्सो एन एक्टर। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड?
I am a star.
ओके स्टार यू आर एन एक्टर एज
Yeah,
वेल है
yeah,
ना? तो आपने टीवी भी किया है?
जी.
आप स्टैंड अप भी करते हैं
जी जी जी।
और हम सबको पता है कि जो फिल्मों में एक्टिंग करने चाहते हैं उनको कभी काम नहीं मिलता जब वो टीवी भी करते हैं और स्टैंड अप भी करते हैं, तो आपने दोनों किए, क्यों? क्योंकि आपका दिमाग खराब है
नहीं,
या आप काम नहीं करना चाहते हैं?
वो एक्चुअली नहीं करना चाहते हैं,
नहीं,
बहुत
वो-
पैसे
या
हैं।
आप डिनाइल में हैं कि मैं सेट करूंगा एग्जाम्पल, भाई मैं टीवी भी करूंगा, मैं
सब करो।
मतलब हम बाकी सब बेवकूफ हैं।
See, guys, I think the bottom line is that I'm really blessed.
And the upper?
The abundance.
That's his
that I
answer
am
to every question now.
feeling the love and abundance is my career. It's
And what's
just
the
been
upper line?
Surreal. And the upper line is
Basically, he has picked up three words: abundance,
Abundance,
surreal, blessed, and he's
blessed,
going to use it in every answer.
I'm just glad that there, I've not been involved in any toxic podcasts yet, where people are like attacking the guests. And it's really something that you can get away from such people.
हमारे पॉडकास्ट की स्पेशलिटी ये है कि हम लोगों को बुला के उनको अटैक करते हैं।
ठीक है?
स्पेशलिटी क्या होती है यार?
स्पेशलिटी होती है,
स्पेशलिटी
स्पेशलिटी।
Special coffee नहीं होती?
स्पेशलिटी क्या होता है यार?
Specialty.
स्पेशलिटी स्पेशल।
नहीं यार, so
Specialty?
I have to tell you, I did a show. I didn't do television as such. I did a show for Alt Balaji.
That's television.
Yeah. And
Wait, it's
and
not.
वही
I
किया
also
मैंने।
did.
I also did.
A show called Foreplay. FOREPLAY नहीं है, FOUR. And
Word play, हाँ?
Oh, tricky.
बहुत फर्क पड़ गया, बहुत फर्क पड़ गया. And yeah, it was a very interesting experience. And then I said,
Foreplay. Yeah, I love foreplay.
मैं comedy
The
ही
show.
करूँगा. Yeah, the Foreplay. Of course you do, darling. Of course you do.
Darling.
What was the show about? What was your role in it?
My
Were you the
ro-
third or the fourth?
My role है उसमें भी fifth था मैं, I think उसमें भी fifth आया. It was great. Really blessed. Abundance.
Abundance and surreality.
Surreality. Yes.
Reality.
Yeah.
Specialty नहीं हो सकता.
Yeah.
Surreality is a word.
Sarjeet Singh की surreality.
Hey, Sari, what is surreality?
बोलना साली।
Hey, please,
तिया।
huh?
बोलती नहीं है कुछ।
Don't attack her.
No,
please.
but you know what I'm going to
Take
do?
head.
Take head. And just because by the end of every sentence you go like this doesn't mean it's right. Don't try to mind fucking
Anyway, तो obviously
hypnotize कर रही है. And she'll say them wrong. She'll say मैं कह रही हूँ.
टाइम नहीं है ब्रो।
Okay, हाँ
अभी
चलो.
निकलना है।
Time
हाँ।
नहीं.
पनवेल का तो अलग बात है।
पनवेल जाना है.
हाँ,
इतने
पनवेल-
साल से पनवेल ही जा रही है तू.
चलो तो let me just attack you.
Just this is your
Please.
defense? I thought funny was your defense.
चलो नहीं कोई बात नहीं.
Huh? Go.
चलो.
Okay.
Go.
Give the editor some time to cut the part where I was
Yeah.
digging my nose. हाँ, तो आपके पास बहुत सारे स्नीकर्स है। क्या वो
जी।
इसलिए है क्योंकि जब आप स्टैंड अप करते हैं लोग आप पे जूते फेंक के मारते हैं और आप वो स्टोर कर लेते हैं?
देखो अगर जूते पे के मारे तो मेरे पास स्नीकर होंगे, स्नीकर्स नहीं होंगे.
Wordplay,
ये कहाँ से word play
wordplay.
होता है?
क्योंकि एक जूता मारेंगे ना, दो थोड़ी मारेंगे ना. तो मेरे पास स्नीकर
He's basically saying कि मेरे पे आज तक सिर्फ एक जूता गिरा है. That's not an achievement. तुम पे जूता किसी ने फेंका है वो बहुत.
I thought the chocolates.
The chocolates.
She's pregnant. Just let it be.
Yeah, but right? How come both of them are getting it
She
wrong?
thought the chocolate sneaker फेंक के मारा.
अच्छा. Oh, Snickers.
Yeah, it's Snickers actually.
What's up, my Snickers?
फिर जब आप शादी पे जाते हो किसी की शादी पे
How do we go from? अच्छा, okay. Go on.
तो आप किसी पे अगर शादी
जब
पे
कोई मुझे
जाते-
बुलाता है शादी पे.
हाँ
हाँ.
whatever same thing.
As what?
या
Guest or
अगर
host?
आप क्रैश करते हो किसी के शादी में क्योंकि कोई आपको
Can you
बुलाता
imagine? I've never done it. I'm dying to do it. I've never crashed anybody's शादी.
हाँ?
Because in Dubai you can't.
Why?
पकड़े आते हैं.
फिर क्या होता
है?
है?
उसमें भी जेल.
हाँ उसमें भी
उनकी तो
जेल.
जेल भी अच्छी होती होगी.
हाँ जेल तो हो क्या
ऐसे ही देख के आते हैं घूम के.
जेल तो हो क्या मैं.
तो जब आप किसी शादी में जाते हो वहाँ
हाँ.
पे सालिया दूल्हे का जूता नहीं आपका जूता चुरा लेते हैं क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा होता है.
Yes, I leave that option.
पर
open.
आपने बोला आप शादी पे नहीं जाते. झूठ पकड़ा गया. आज Two Girls Two Cups
are
पे we are
exposing the guest.
exposing
और से
celebrities.
देखिए.
Hear that you're very rich.
You hear sure.
Is it because
See, rich is like a blessing.
my question is not
Yeah,
complete,
okay.
but okay, if you want
Go
to
on,
start
go on, go on.
answering.
Go on.
So we hear
Hey,
that you
Dubai-
are very rich.
Yeah.
And is it because that you charge the audience 1 rupee every time they don't laugh at your joke?
That would make me very rich.
Clearly.
Clearly. That's a good scheme. I'm going to try that.
कोई नहीं हंसा तो
कोई नहीं ऐसा तो ₹1. ₹1 is too little. 10?
आजकल ₹1 में क्या ही आता है?
आ जाता है
ये जितने
स्नीकर्स
स्नीकर्स आए ना,
स्नीकर्स आते स्नीकर्स
वो
आते
जो सस्ता वाला जो उसका रिप ऑफ होता है ना वो
हाँ स्नीकर्स
आदिबास
बट सही में बताइए आपका पैसा कहाँ से आता है?
मेरा पैसा कहाँ से आता है सॉरी
तो
सॉरी आई हर्ड समथिंग एल्स दुकान बंद कर मेरा पैसा कहाँ से आता
क्या
है
सुन रहा है यार?
मैंने कुछ गलत सुना
फोर प्ले में इसलिए कास्ट किया था,
हाँ,
सही
मैंने
कास्ट
इसलिए
किया था।
सो यार पैसे का सिचुएशन तो इट्स गोइंग वेल यार आई एम गेटिंग गुड गिग्स पीपल आर पेइंग गुड मनी सो आई थिंक तुम लोगों का रिसर्च थोड़ा
हाँ नहीं गूगल पे लिखा था
खत्म
क्या लिखा था?
नितिन मिरानी इज गेटिंग गुड किक्स
हाँ लिटरली
किक्स ना
हाँ, kicks.
लात मार रहे लोग इस पे ने गूगल जब आपका किया तो फर्स्ट आर्टिकल जो आया वो ये था कि आप जेल गए हो
जी दैट्स ट्रू
क्यों? मेरे को नहीं पता ये।
किसका वर्ड किया
आई लाइक अ लुक तुम जेल गए थे
अरे एकदम से स्कैंडलस हो गया हमारा
ये
पॉडकास्ट।
स्कैंडलस तो नहीं आई वेंट टू द दुबई प्रिजन टू परफॉर्म फॉर द इनमेट्स
व्हाट रबिश लायो
सच्ची
ये अच्छा है बहाना
अरे सच्ची बोल रहा है यार
लो पुलिस पकड़ के चली
वीजा
गई।
ऑफिसर को यही बोलते हो तो
नहीं,
नहीं
बस
मैं वहाँ पे
true.
परफॉर्मेंस करने गया था
नहीं बट
पर
सीरियसली
ऐसे कौन परफॉर्म करता है नहीं बट इट वाज गुड फन एक्चुअली आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी
really you didn't actually go into the lockup for something
बट
you
मेरी
did?
मेरी इतनी फटी वहाँ पे
ऑब्वियसली
because the problem with you know people in the whole setup as police and all उनकी jokes इतने funny नहीं होते more like their statements so when the commissioner is like if you are funny we will keep you so for in his head it's funny मेरी फटली याद है ये joke बोल रहा है सच में बोल रहा है
इट्स फनी
if you are we will keep you we
And then
will
you're
keep you
like, very good joke, huh?
कट्टू मेरा अंदाज अपना सीन आ गया ऐसे ड्रेस पहन के कहाँ से क्या हो गए but it was a great experience yeah it was
So clearly they didn't keep you. So good.
They didn't keep
for a change, being unfunny helped.
yes
Yes.
no they didn't keep me because they didn't have
Don't
a place
justify.
for me
No,
Don't
joke is
justify. So on that note, I also have a statement to make.
Which note? You made
Because
it?
we have written the statement and there is no question that Nitin Virani walks into the bar and lowers it.
Just roast
Just
jokes.
wanted to
that was funny
चलो two girls come to the point
come to the point.
come to the point
You grew up in Dubai.
Yes,
but
correct.
You decided to come here. How difficult was that? कि दुबई का तो एटमॉस्फेयर एंड दुबई में इंडस्ट्री है कॉमेडियंस के लिए.
नहीं उस
Can you crack jokes because I think
Yeah,
they
yeah,
are like
yeah.
very strict.
so good thing is I've written two versions of every
Two
joke
jokes.
yeah two jokes
The good thing is
literally I
I've written
write
two jokes.
when I write jokes I write them in pairs of twos because एक दुबई के लिए but Dubai is
One for
fairly
each of your ball.
yeah thanks bro
How do you know he has to? There's
testicle
some
हो
who
ना
has
हो
one.
and I remember on one television show I was supposed to go and I had a joke about that you've seen the movie Babe the pig
The pig.
so I had a joke about a pig
Huh.
and just 10 minutes before the guy comes in and says you know
You can't joke about the
it's a very good joke I like your joke make a pig horse I said no it's la pig haram make horse so I did that same joke मैंने horse कर दिया उसको and nobody laughed yeah so yeah
Do you
it
remember
was,
the joke? Do you remember the joke?
no I don't it was a very traumatic experience on live television and even the presenter is like oh do you mean pig I'm like how the fuck are you saying pig
But
and I
I
cannot
can't
say
say
pig
it. Jokes सुना तू jokes.
हाँ यार बहुत बोर किया तूने.
तू
jokes.
jokes सुना.
कौन सा joke
हाँ?
मतलब वो भी हम ही बोले.
You know if he's boring us too much, we can just change the guest.
yeah you can
Change the guest.
control your hormone bhavija okay
Who's Babeja here?
hormone bhavija
Oh.
you have to catch up really you
Can we
guys
get
are,
Nitin Mirani back?
No, it's
you
too
can't
late now.
he's left to Dubai
Please
already.
welcome split personality के शिकार अंकल मनमानी.
thank you please don't stand up we are family please
अब हम नितिन से जो बातें कर रहे थे अब हम आपसे करेंगे because you and Nitin वो नितिन की कॉफी थी but
फ्री का
okay.
कॉफी पीने का मजा ही कुछ और है
Nitin likes his coffee with sugar. Do you?
I like my coffee like how I like my women
With sugar.
free
We also have Sari for you. Then
so
Nitin's.
we've given her a goatee
very nice
You
I
like
was going to give her my goatee but that's okay I just want to understand in this whole show you are the girls or you are the cups
We are the girls who have the cups. If you know what I mean. There's one similarity between the two.
of course we are twinning we both are connected हम दोनों का पहुंच बहुत दूर तक है yeah really out there
हमने रोस्टिंग गलत इंसान के साथ कर ली, मुझे
Of
ऐसे
course.
लग रहा है, लेकिन अब हम सीरियस क्वेश्चंस पूछने वाले थे, so we are going to continue the serious questions.
Of course.
Let's see.
सीरियस
whatever.
मतलब like do I have cancer and all ऐसा?
Do you?
No,
Okay.
I am Virgo.
That's it.
So tell us. So you do a lot of live performances, ना?
Sorry. जब काफी में बाल आ गया मेरा.
कॉमेडी लाइव परफॉर्मेंसेस करते हैं,
Correct.
एंड ये सबके बस की बात नहीं होती. लाइक मेरी बहुत फटती है लाइव
अभी
परफॉर्मेंस.
बस या गाड़ी
Of
का
course.
जोक मारने वाला है. हाँ, क्या?
Just your choice of words are very. You got to be very careful. A pregnant woman saying मेरी फटती है like I get very worried. So just choose your words wisely.
If I wanted to do live performance comedy tomorrow,
Don't do it.
Can't take him seriously right now.
how do I do it?
Don't do it. बेटा don't do it.
Okay,
पागल है क्या?
next question.
And जो अपने पेट पे लात मारेगा.
How do you prep? किस पे प्रैक्टिस करते हो आप? मिरर में,
देखो
कुत्तों पे?
मिरर में कुत्तों पे. I like the way
वो
you.
मिरर में कुत्तों पे
I like the way you think. आज रात को ही ट्राई करेगा. Marshall, I am sorry. मिरर पे कुत्तों पे. Very nice.
You know Nitin very well.
Yeah,
right?
I know him very
हाँ,
well.
So how does Nitin?
Unfortunately, I am related to him, and it's been quite a traumatic experience because
आप उनके क्या लगते हो?
पता नहीं क्या लगते हैं.
आवाज को क्या
हम
हो
लोग
गया है?
लेकिन एक दूसरे को बहुत बुरे लगते हैं. Definitely, like
तो नितिन कैसे प्रेप करता है for his live shows?
oh, he looks at me prepping, then he preps on my prep, and then prep करके we just get on stage. It's a lot of prep.
So guys, anyone who wants to do live performance, you just have to prep.
Yes, just
I don't
ऐसा.
know what that means. Hey Sari,
2-3 पापड़ खाओ और ऑटोमेटिकली prep निकले.
देखो मनमोहन जी, एक बार सवाल सुन लो, फिर आप अपना बकवास करते रहो.
Okay.
ठीक है? सवाल ये
Take
है
your time.
कि- नहीं, मेरे को टाइम चाहिए नहीं, मैं बोल रही
Okay,
हूँ ना.
hurry up then. Take your time, but hurry up.
मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि मुझसे भी ना, क्योंकि मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा फनी हूँ, मुझसे लोग एक्सपेक्ट करें कि मैं हमेशा फनी रहूँ, मतलब जब
Correct.
देखो फनी.
Correct.
तो मैं सीरियसली भी कुछ बोलती हूँ ना, तो लोगों को लगता है अरे जो क्या है. मैं कल बोला किसी को मेरे को मतलब हर्पीज हो गया है, बोलते हैं फनी. तो प्रेशर होता है.
Herpes
तो
क्या
आप उस प्रेशर को, सॉरी नितिन जी, वो प्रेशर को कैसे हैंडल करते हैं?
देखो, first of all, I don't like to talk about people behind their back. Nitin is not here, so let's not discuss him. It's about you and
ओके,
me.
आप कैसे करते हैं?
तुम्हारे उसूल, तुम्हारे आदर्श.
उफ, तुम्हारे उसूल, तुम्हारे आदर्श.
You talk about him in front of his back?
Yes, in the front of his back.
Yes.
जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना, I had a back-to-back meeting. बेंचो फिर देखा ही नहीं किसी का चेहरा. How can you have back-to-back meeting? Have front to front?
Why do you always say front to front?
Front तो ऐसे करेगा ना यार, front. Frontal nudity.
This is not that kind of show. That's a different kind of podcast.
अच्छा, this is not that show.
This is not that show. Yeah. This is not that live.
It's the
performance.
back-to-back show.
It's the back-to-back show.
Like
No,
not
but
69, 96.
Do you feel the pressure, Uncle Manmani, कि
प्रेशर
आपका
तो बहुत है, देखो मैं इतना प्रेशर होता है.
बेंचो?
Anyway, बेंचो नहीं, don't abuse me in that tone. प्यार से बोलो.
Can we get Nitin back?
Nitin,
अच्छा,
we are
okay.
so sorry. But क्या पूछूं मैं इससे?
Hey, 1 second. Let this beautiful girl.
Beautiful girl.
What was
please.
your question?
शादी हो गई मेरी.
तो क्या हुआ यार?
अच्छा ठीक है.
ठीक है, देखा. I like it.
पूछ ले यार question please.
She's like my
आप
breakfast.
प्रेशर कैसे हैंडल करते हो कि जब लोग
Always
आपसे
funny होने का.
See, देखो, always funny होने का pressure. You just tell them fuck off. Simple है. ये 2 words जो भगवान नहीं, sorry.
भगवान ने नहीं बोला
ये
होगा.
वाला काट देना please. That's a Muslim joke. Anyway, don't do that also. Yeah, don't do that also. ये वाला मत काटो. So anyway,
Thank God था मेरे यहाँ पे नहीं है.
Bantai, what was I saying? हाँ, तो the pressure you should not take. देखो, भगवान ने एक जगह बनाया जहाँ से प्रेशर रिलीज होता है.
Correct.
Use it.
2 जगह.
एक ही है दादा.
मुझे तो 2 जगह. We'll talk about that later.
कोई बात नहीं. If fuck you, I'm not your bitch. And so what if you gave me money in the beginning of my career? Does not mean I will sleep with you.
Uncle Manmani,
And- oh, sorry.
camera is this.
Sorry, थोड़ा personal हो गया.
So,
देखा?
what do you hate about the audience that you perform for? कि उनका फोन चल जाए या आपको हैकल, क्या बड़ा गुस्सा आता है? आता है गुस्सा आता है?
Beta, what I hate is that the ticket price is so low. I want to perform for more rich people.
So
I
Dubai से India
want
क्यों आए
people to throw money at me. Come on, do it. Hit me, baby, one more time. Yeah, come on.
थे? इस पॉडकास्ट पे आपकी सारी
मैंने
इच्छाएं
500.
पूरी होती है.
2000 के नहीं
मैं
क्या?
अपने ऊपर भी डाल दूँ.
ये बैन वाले नोट से क्या?
और ये Very
तुम
nice.
अपने आप पे क्यों फेंक रही हो?
Maybe it's करूँगी तो आ जाएगी.
तो ना प्रोडक्शन का है ना थोड़ा
So this was the real viral reel. Give me my money. अरे क्या हो गया बेंच करने दे रहे. Let me cover my ladies and genitals. हुआ क्या?
नाइस
But one second, how can you hate the audience for having low ticket price? वो तो ticket price तो आप decide करोगे ना आपके शो का क्या है.
Audience का
अरे डिसाइड करने से क्या होता है बेंच देते ही नहीं है.
अच्छा, so you have.
कितना बेंच अर्ली बर्ड डालेगा माया चोट अर्ली बर्ड टिकट 300 रुपीज.
मैं ना इनसे
लेट बर्ड मर गया बेंच 2.
डोंट वरी, आज आप 2 गर्ल्स 2 कप्स पे आए हो, आज के बाद कुछ नहीं होगा. ओके
आज के बाद भी आपको अर्ली बर्ड करना पड़ेगा.
ठीक.
And
लड़की मुझे why does she leave me hanging? I don't get it.
कोई gossip देना. हमारे
See,
को बताना.
as myself, I don't put pressure. I'll fart.
कुछ बता.
Okay. अरे यार एक लड़की मेरे पीछे पड़ गया बेंचोत. She came to me. She's like, uncle, I love you. I said, okay, you have good choice. Like, can you follow me? I said, नहीं बेटा पुलिस पकड़ती है. Then she said on Instagram. I said, okay, why don't you tell me? पूरी बात करो ना यार. So then she like, uncle, please follow me. Photo लिया. We took that वो होता है ना duck face. Selfie. ऐसा किया. मैंने बोला okay, no problem. Photo लिया. Then she like, please add me. I said, okay, no problem. What's your name? She said, Shraddha. I was writing her name. She said, no, uncle. It's Shraddha with a double D. I said, no, beta, I have seen double D. That is not double D. That's maximum 34C. So any Shraddhas watching, I want to apologize.
Apologize.
बेंचो न्यूमरोलॉजी करने की क्या जरूरत है यार?
First to apologize.
क्यों डालना है डबल डी बेंचो?
Double D तब डालो जब double D होगा.
Hey, she's playing footsie with me. कैमरा, did you see it? देखा, डबल डी बोलते ही इसका डबल एफ निकल के आ गया. No problem. We can do it.
No, I don't want to
Footsie.
help security.
Beta, you want to try using a tissue in your lifetime, anytime?
No.
Okay. Very nice. कोई बात नहीं. Finally, she went down on me.
That's what she said.
What do you think of Nitin's wife?
Very hot. Very hot.
Okay.
We had a
Does
question
she does she give you भाव?
अरे ऐसा भाव देती है, भाव भाजी देती है, मजा आता है घर में. She's very hot, let me tell you.
Does she get your
Don't
jokes?
Google her, Madhachot. I'm watching you.
Does she get your jokes?
Of course, she gets my jokes.
Does she get Nitin jokes?
She gets
Does
my
she
punchlines also. Get it?
उसकी वाइफ बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही हाई IQ और बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट और बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल है.
Hot.
जो नितिन बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. हाँ, और
Correct,
हॉट भी है. जो
correct.
नितिन इज ए कंप्लीट.
Nitin has very high EQ. ये मैंने पढ़ा था कि
ये सारे जिनके पास बिल्कुल दिमाग नहीं होता.
करेक्ट
ये बोलते हैं.
ये लड़की बहन जो मेरे को हाई फाई देते क्यों नहीं है यार?
Sorry.
पागल बाइपोलर औरत. What if my housemate goes to Antarctica? Will she be bipolar? Get it? Bipolar. Okay. नहीं.
Oh
नहीं,
my God.
I'm
guys.
really my
Production, next time we're calling a comedian, just tell us not to.
yes.
Yeah.
You heard it from reproduction?
Because this has become two girls not saying a thing. Only talk.
I will not take off my clothes. Please.
Please, one shirt.
You
Okay,
will
fine.
only talk.
Take it off. Come on. Take it off. Come on. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off.
सुन लिया था, मैं सब सुन लिया था. मेरे कार में बैठती नहीं हूँ.
You give newcomers a lot of chance on your sets.
Yes.
है ना?
Because the quality of sperm
है?
is very good.
Of their sperm.
Because
Of
they are
the-
newcomers. Very potent. Sorry, what was the question?
Do I want to ask? Someone give Nitin a chance?
Yes, of course. A lot of people are responsible for him being there, good or bad. Trevor Noah, Marlon Wayans, Eddie Griffin, Shah Rukh Khan.
How did they give you a chance? Where?
Not me, Nitin.
How did they give you
Head
a
for the
chance?
program, girl.
Where
He
did
really
they give
did or what?
Of course,
Can
he's
you give
open
us
for
a-
all these people.
Can you give us their numbers?
Really? Like
you please Google him.
performed with them?
Yes, huh?
What have you done for them? Like, how have they given you a chance?
They gave me the stage to open and perform
Really?
with them. You please Google him. He's very talented.
Actually, Nitin is one of the only Indian comedians that I know personally who has performed all over the world. US, London.
Right? Statue of Liberty. First Indian.
First Indian to perform.
First
at
Indian, Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Fifth
Really?
Indian.
आईफिल टावर के ऊपर जाके परफॉर्म किया. किसी को सुनाई दिया कि नहीं?
देखो ये गरीब लोग का यही प्रॉब्लम है.
इतना ऊपर से मतलब.
अरे चढ़िया वहाँ पे एक अच्छा पूरा बॉल रूम है.
अच्छा ओके.
It's a proper place for performance.
मैं गई हूँ आईफिल टावर पे कहाँ बॉल रूम है ऊपर.
है ऊपर. अब क्या फोटो दिखा दे पता नहीं. गूगल हिम नहीं है तुम लोग.
Suddenly I want Nitin.
He's
back
getting
in.
actually now Nitin inside him is getting very offended. कि
Yes.
आपने उसको गूगल क्यों नहीं किया? Okay, now we are going to go to the game.
We have to play a game with you.
I am quite a ladies' man. Okay, so whatever you say, I will do opposite. So you decide.
Game is, guys, we know but you don't, so obviously we have to tell you. हम सब अपने अपने jokes prepare करके आए हैं और this is you laugh you lose. You know
So
the game.
original.
Should I
Round number 1. Go.
Right. Acha, my joke first. You start.
Today, Ganguly asked Siri, why don't I get lead roles? Siri just opened the front camera.
Okay. I didn't get that joke, but it was really very nice. High five. You have to support pregnant women.
What's red and smells like blue paint?
I'd rather not answer that one.
Red paint.
What do you call a politician, Indian politician, with the perfect face structure? Symmetry Irani. They hate me because I'm black. Racist.
What did Cinderella say when she got to the ball? He knows the answer.
I was there.
She laughed.
It was
Both
my ball.
laughed.
I won that point. Both, 2 girls, 1 uncle, 3 comes laugh.
Okay. The last time Nitin was someone's type, he was donating blood.
O positive.
What do you call it when an orphan gets kidnapped?
I don't know.
A surprise adoption.
Allah nikal gaya. That was funny. I have this friend of mine who's an orphan. He is so orphan, उसके website में home page भी नहीं है. फिर मैं चुप रहेगा.
पूरे एपिसोड में तू उसको प्लीज ताली दे दे यार.
Yes. Actually, let's just hold hands and do the episode.
Excuse me.
Okay, relax. It takes more muscles to frown than to smile. It's not something you say to a person with facial paralysis. Stephen Hawking fans, I love you.
What is the difference between a dead baby and a peanut butter cup?
Why are you doing that joke? I don't, because you have 1 peanut butter cup already inside you.
The dead baby won't stick to the roof of your mouth.
These vegan people, I tell you.
Why are there no pharmacies in Africa?
This is going
I
to be
don't
very
know.
dark.
Because you can't take medicines on an empty stomach.
Okay. I was playing football the other day with my friend. He was the captain. His name is Preet. He missed the ball and kicked me accidentally. Preet ki lat moye aisi lagi. Both of them. 2 girls laughing. I got it. Very nice. Now I've ruined the song for you. And Preet.
Actually, every time I listen to this song,
Oh,
which
my
I-
head is hurting.
okay.
Okay, one joke now.
Wait, why is your head hurting? I've not asked you to have sex.
Okay. What is grosser than 10 dead babies nailed to a tree?
What are these jokes about
With
babies?
hearing dead babies.
Okay.
1 dead baby nailed to 10 trees.
Can you bring back Siri one more time? It's just, I'm missing her head.
This is not funny. This is like really, yeah, it's gross.
Just throw it. पागल है क्या बेंचो? So, breaking news, everybody. This farmer tried to molest a cow. It's a true story. And then they caught him. Then he's like, no, I will marry her. But the cow said, no, I'm not that kind of guy. He who laughs last is Ravan's 10th head.
Guys, after this episode, I think I will
I'm on a roll.
need like 4 days of break because
No problem. No
I think
problem.
my baby's moved.
Who are you to say no problem?
No, but okay.
Okay,
that
guys,
was a great game.
Last
I
one.
have
He's
Can
not
I-
going to stop.
Can I?
basically
Last one.
Yeah, last one.
I caught my house help stealing, so I fired her. Even now, when people ask me what happened, I'll tell them, let bygones be bygones. Erectile dysfunction is causing a hard man is
have
good to
keep
find.
going through this, but you guys please watch our previous
Please call
and
me,
next episodes.
follow me on
of Two
Instagram.
Girls Two Cups, cup graded by Two Girls Two Cups. Like, share, subscribe, and also watch Rosepod India's YouTube channel for more content.
And our
That
content
is-
and Rosepod's content.
He's
and,
touching me.
करते रहो मजा आ रहा है.
Okay, bye guys. I think we need to call the police.
Guys, please
guys, call
call
911.
You can touch my stomach for
क्या
good
होता
luck. Do it.
है? Okay, okay.
Rub my belly for good luck.
Can I push your belly instead?
Okay, go for it. Thank you very much.
Ooh, it's soft. Come here.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Two girls and two guys. Two girls and two cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.
Bye.
Ciao.
Sayonara.
Alvida.
Hare.